Hey friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to share with you 10 amazing and useful shortcuts that you can use on your Windows PC, right? Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. So let's jump in to the first shortcut. So the first shortcut, guys, that I want to share with you is the Windows and the Tab key. So if you click the Windows key on your keyboard plus Tab, you will see you get this Windows here that is currently showing you the different windows that you have open, and of course you also see the different desktops. So if you have multiple desktop, you'll be able to see those desktops there, and of course you can add a new desktop. So that's really amazing stuff there, guys, that you can really do, right? So that's the first shortcut, Windows, and also press the Tab key to show you how to access those different windows here, right? So that's the first one, Windows plus Tab. The second one now, guys, I want to share with you is press the Windows key plus H. And what this is going to do is going to bring up the Microsoft speech service, and this will allow you to use the speech to text so that you can easily record whatever you're saying, right? So if you go ahead and click on something there, you'll be able to use the speech to text and you get the information here. So all you have to do is just go ahead and use it by clicking start voice typing, and this will use a voice typing. So if you want to write something within Microsoft Word or whatever you want, you can simply go ahead and press the Windows plus H, and it will open up this Microsoft voice service so that you can do the voice typing and you don't have to write it manually, right? So that's the second command that I want to share with you. The third one, guy, is simply press the Windows and the semicolon. So if you press Windows and semicolon, it's going to open up the emojis on Windows, so you can easily access emojis, gifs, and so much more within this application. So if you want to use emojis, you can use them directly within Windows by pressing the Windows and the semicolon together to access that. The next one is the Windows plus E, and this is going to open up the File Explorer. It opens up on my second window, but that's how it is. You simply press Windows plus E and it will open up File Explorer. As you see, I open up a second one there and I open up a third one there. So press the Windows key plus E and you will open up File Explorer on your computer, right? The next one is Windows plus D. And what Windows plus D will do, it will minimize all windows that you have open up on your screen. So if you have multiple windows or tab open, let me go ahead and use an example. So this, for example, was the Windows plus E. So if I press Windows plus E, Windows plus E, Windows plus E, open up a few of these File Explorer. If I press Windows plus D now, you will see it minimize all of those windows. So if you have a lot of windows open up on your screen, you can easily go ahead and press Windows plus D to minimize all windows on your screen. So that's a very useful one that you need to remember, that you can easily do that, right? The next one that I want to share with you as well, guys, is the Windows plus M. So that's going to also do similar things by minimizing those windows for you. So either use the Windows plus D or the Windows plus M, and it will go ahead and do minimize of those windows for you on your computer, right? So keep that in mind as well. I know this is similar, so I might give you a bonus tip towards the end as well so that you can utilize that. Now, the next one that I want to share with you guys, I'm going to open up a program. So any application that you currently have running on your PC, and these are for active application, you can press the Alt key plus F4, and what this is going to do, it's going to close active applications, so you don't have to close those applications manually. So it will only affect the active application that you, let's say, last click on. So if you have multiple screens and you have other applications open, it will not close those applications, but it will work on the active application. So that could be a browser, that could be whatever application that you open. So let's say I want to open up CapCut, for example, and I open up that, it can go ahead and it can close it. So I can open up the CapCut application and I can simply go ahead and press Alt and F4 and it will close the application for me. So whatever active application you have open, you can easily press Alt and F4 to go ahead and you can easily do that. Now the next one that I want to share with you guys, let me go ahead and open up a new window here, and let me just basically type something random. So let's say I go to YouTube, for example. Yeah, I click on youtube.com. If you're on any website, whether YouTube or Google or whichever, if you press Ctrl plus R, it will do a refresh of that page. And as you see, I press that right now on my YouTube page load. So Ctrl plus R, that will go ahead and refresh the window within the browser for you. So that's how you can go ahead and refresh content within a page or browser by using the Ctrl plus R. Now, the next thing that I want to share with you, which is a follow-up, is the Ctrl plus F. This is going to open up the search page or the search feature within a browser that you can easily search. So let's say I want to search this page here to see if there is a word enable. So I can simply type in enable, and as you can see, it find one enable here, which is on this page. Let's see, let's try another one. Let's say I would like to see if there's any word related to Windows 11 or Windows 10. So as you can see, there are 3 results here on this page showing Windows 11, and as you can see, one here, and there's a second one, and you can use the up and down arrow to see those different ones. So once you select it, it will find that one, and you can also go ahead and search and it will find it. So Ctrl plus F will open up the search on any page. So if you're trying to find something on a page and you just don't want to scroll down to look for it, you can use the Ctrl plus F, then type that keyword that you want here and hit enter, and it will basically start to search for you. Right, there's this next one that I want to share with you guys, but I will not be able to show you that specific command. But for this, I'm gonna make up by sharing with you another shortcut. But the one that I want to share with you is Windows Shift and S. If you press Windows Shift and S, this is gonna open up snipping tool, and it's gonna allow you to take a screenshot or start recording as well if you are recording with snipping tool. And the reason why I say I cannot show you that is because currently I'm using the snipping tool to do the recording. So I don't know if I press it, if it's gonna stop my recording here, which we're doing so beautifully well by recording this tutorial. However, if you press Windows Shift and S on your keyboard, it will open up a snipping so that you can capture a snapshot of whatever you're doing. So if you want to take a quick snapshot on your screen of whatever, press Windows Shift and S, and it will take the snapshot for you. Now, the bonus one that I want to share with you guys is if you have whatever files on your computer, let's say you have something on your download folder or whichever files you on your computer, wherever it is, if you want to permanently delete it, find that file, click on that file, and press Shift and delete. Once you press Shift delete, it will allow you to delete files permanently. And as you can see, it says, are you sure you want to permanently delete this file? And if I click yes, it will permanently delete it. So press the Shift key and delete, and this will allow you to delete files permanently. Now I'm going to give you one more bonus tip. The final, let's say, set of commands, or let's say a series of commands that I would like to group together as one shortcut. So let's say you're writing within Google Docs, Notepad, WordPad, or even Microsoft Word, right? I'm going to open up WordPad, yeah? And let's say I am writing something, I'm going to write Drew tutorial, right? So let's say I write Drew tutorial, and let's say you want to bold this. So I'm going to show you the shortcut how to do bold, how to do italic, and also how to do underline. So you highlight the text, and if you do Control B, it will do a bold. If you press Control B again, it will, let's say, not bold it. Let's say you want to do italic, you can do Control I, and as you can see, it's italic there. And if you press it again, it will not be. And let's say you want to underline the text, just press Control U, and it will underline it. So you can press it twice to remove it. If you press it once, then it will do that command for you. So this is how you can easily go ahead, guys, and use these commands within your document. Now, as I said, I want to share with you 10, and I group them. I'm sure you get more, but you get the idea. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.